Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer credit card balance to Discover. It's very really easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to go to this Discover website which you can see here. But before moving further, I would like to give some information on eligibility, right? So ensure you have a Discover card which is eligible for a balance transfer. If you don't have one, you may need to apply for a Discover card. So if you don't have a Discover card, just go to Discover here and you can just apply. For example, go to all products here and you can go here and click on credit card, and basically you will be able to apply for whichever credit cards you want to, right? So it's very easy thing to do. You can just apply it from the website and verify your available credit card limit to ensure it can accommodate the balance you wish to transfer, right? So make sure that it has, and after that you have to collect details about the credit card account you want to transfer the balance from, including the account number and the amount you wish to transfer. So right, so these are the three very important reasons, and now let's move to how you can initiate the balance transfer, right? So here you have to just go to Discover. If you don't know how to visit the Discover website, go to Google and search for Discover. You will get this first link here. Right now on the top right, you will get an option to log in. So just click on login. You have to enter your user ID and password, and basically credit card is by default selected, and make sure that it is credit card here and click on login. Now provide the necessary information, including the account number of the credit card for which you are transferring the balance, right? So the amount which is going to be transferred. Now review the TOC. Basically the terms and condition of the balance transfer include any fees and promotional interest rate. Now confirm and submit. You will receive a confirmation from a Discover that your balance transfer request has been submitted. After that, it's take a very few little time basically. Now here, once you have submitted and balance transfer request, confirm the details and submit your balance. Now here, allow time for the balance transfer to be processed, right? So once it get proceed, it can take several days or few weeks. Now continue making payments on your old credit card until the transfer is complete to avoid late fees or missed payment. So be aware there could be some kind of fees, for example 3% to 5%, and sometimes there's a promotional period too. I hope you found this information really helpful. If you did, subscribe.